What if I told you that you could completely replace your massive, heat-generating, space-hogging desktop tower with a machine that is barely larger than a hardcover book without sacrificing a single drop of performance? It sounds impossible, right? For years, we have been conditioned to believe that if you want extreme computing power, you have to sacrifice desk space, you have to buy a massive case, fill it with giant fans, and deal with the bulk. Well, welcome to the future of computing. Today we are taking a deep dive into an absolute monster of a machine that shatters all of those old rules. This is the Msecore MV300 Mini PC. But please, do not let the word mini fool you for a second. Packed inside this incredibly sleek, compact chassis is a desktop-grade Intel Core i9-13900F processor with 24 cores, a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 desktop graphics card with 12 GB of VRAM, a massive 64 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM, and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Oh, and it supports 8K resolution across up to 4 displays simultaneously. Whether you are a hardcore competitive gamer, a professional video editor handling massive files, a 3D graphics designer, or someone diving deep into the rapidly growing world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, this machine claims to do absolutely everything. But does it actually deliver on all these massive promises? Let's find out together. And hey, before we get too deep into the specs, if at any point in this video you want to check the current pricing, see if there are any seasonal discounts, or pick one up for yourself, I have dropped a special affiliate link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to support this channel and keep these reviews coming, so thank you in advance. First things first, let's talk about the physical design, the build quality, and the sheer portability of this unit. The Msecore MV300 comes in at just 10.63 by 8.46 by 2.17 inches. To put that into perspective, you could easily slide this right into a standard laptop backpack with plenty of room to spare for your keyboard, mouse, and headset. Despite its small footprint, it weighs in at around 5.5 kilograms. Now, that might sound a little heavy for a mini PC, but honestly, it gives the system an incredibly premium, dense, and durable feel. This isn't some cheap, hollow plastic box. It feels incredibly well engineered and solid, designed to house high-end desktop components safely. For anyone who wants a minimalist, clean desk setup, this device is an absolute dream come true. You can easily tuck this behind a monitor out of sight, place it neatly on the corner of your desk as a conversation piece, or even throw it in your bag if you need to travel to a LAN party, a client's office to show off a project, or a remote shooting location where you need massive rendering power on the go. The era of needing a heavy metal tower just to get top-tier performance is officially over. Now let's talk about the actual brains of this operation, the processor. This mini PC is rocking the absolute powerhouse that is the Intel Core i9-13900F. We are talking about a processor equipped with 24 cores and a massive 36 megabytes of cache, capable of boosting up to a staggering 5.6 gigahertz when you really push it. If you are new to the PC building space and do not speak all this tech jargon, let me translate that for you. This processor absolutely shreds through the heaviest workloads you can possibly throw at it. If you are doing CPU-intensive tasks, like exporting a complex 4K or even 8K video timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro, batch processing hundreds of high-resolution RAW photos in Lightroom, or compiling massive amounts of software code, this i9 processor handles it effortlessly. It is an absolute powerhouse for multitasking. Imagine this, you can have 36 Google Chrome tabs open, a heavy video rendering in the background, Discord running on your second monitor, Spotify playing your favorite playlist, and you still won't experience a single stutter, freeze, or drop in performance. It's genuinely that impressive. But as we all know, a great CPU is only half the story when it comes to a high-end system. The real magic of the Msecore MV300, the thing that truly sets it apart from almost every other mini PC on the market, is what handles the graphics. Normally, mini PCs are forced to rely on integrated graphics chips, which are perfectly fine for browsing the web or watching videos, but they're absolutely terrible for heavy gaming or professional content creation. Well, not this one. This unit is armed with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 desktop graphics card with 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM. This is a legitimate desktop-class PCIe Express graphics card engineered into this compact form factor. For gamers, this means you no longer have to compromise. You can boot up the most demanding modern AAA titles, crank the graphical settings all the way up to Ultra, turn on ray tracing, and still experience incredibly smooth gameplay. Thanks to NVIDIA's revolutionary DLSS 3 and frame generation technology, you'll be pushing incredibly high frame rates at 1440p and even 4K. And for the professional creators out there, the RTX 4070 is a total game changer. Whether you're color grading in DaVinci Resolve, modeling complex 3D environments in AutoCAD or Maya, or doing complex AI processing tasks like running local large language models or generating images, having 12 gigs of dedicated VRAM accelerates your entire workflow tremendously. It's completely optimized for the modern era of AI, high-end graphics design, and heavy video editing. To make sure that the CPU and GPU are never bottlenecked, you need serious memory, and Msecore clearly understood the assignment. This specific model comes preloaded with an absurd 64 gigabytes of next-generation DDR5 RAM. DDR5 memory gives you significantly more bandwidth and speed compared to the older DDR4 standard, meaning snappier responsiveness across your entire operating system. And the best part about the memory, it utilizes 2 available memory slots, and the motherboard supports a maximum capacity of 96 gigabytes of RAM. This means that unlike laptops or other mini PCs where the memory is soldered directly to the board, you actually have the freedom to upgrade your memory in the future if your workload ever demands it. For storage, you're getting a massive 2 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD. PCIe Gen 4 means your read and write speeds are completely off the charts. Windows 11 Pro, which proudly comes pre-installed on this machine, boots up in literally a matter of seconds. Your favorite games will load almost instantly, completely eliminating those annoying long loading screens. And transferring massive video files from your camera to your PC will take a mere fraction of the time it used to. 2 terabytes is a massive amount of space, giving you plenty of room for your ever-growing gaming library, your software applications, and all of your bulky creative projects. Now, a desktop replacement isn't truly a replacement unless it has the connectivity and ports to back it up, and the input and output on this mini PC is simply wild. First off, for wireless connectivity, it features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology. This means if you have a modern compatible router, you're getting insanely fast, incredibly low latency wireless internet, which is perfect for competitive online gaming or uploading massive files to the cloud. It operates on both the 2.4 and 5.8 GHz radio frequencies for maximum stability. But if you're old school and prefer a hardwired connection, you get not one, but dual LAN ports. This is a huge feature for network administrators, streamers who use a dual PC setup over a local network, or video editors who want a dedicated wired connection to a massive network-attached storage drive. And peripheral lovers rejoice. You get a total of 8 USB ports. You can plug in your mechanical keyboard, your gaming mouse, a USB microphone, a high-definition webcam, multiple external hard drives, and you'll still have ports left over to spare. When it comes to displays, this thing is a visual powerhouse. It features both HDMI and DisplayPort video outputs and supports up to 4 simultaneous displays. That's right, you can run a massive quad monitor setup right out of this tiny box. It even has a maximum native resolution support of 7680 by 4320 pixels. Yes, this mini PC fully supports 8K video output. For day traders monitoring the stock market, video editors working with massive timelines, or ultimate productivity enthusiasts, having 4 high-resolution screens running off this tiny device is just mind-blowing. Now, I know what you might be wondering. With an i9 processor and an RTX 4070 shoved into such a tiny box, doesn't it overheat and throttle? Msecore has implemented a highly efficient air cooling method designed specifically for this exact chassis. It's engineered to pull cold air in and push hot air out as efficiently as possible, keeping your temperatures in check and preventing thermal throttling, even during those long, intense, all-night gaming sessions or multi-hour 3D rendering jobs. And as I mentioned earlier, this system comes with Windows 11 Pro straight out of the box, not the standard Home Edition. That means you get advanced professional-grade features like BitLocker device encryption and remote desktop capabilities, making this an amazing choice not just for gamers, but for business professionals and secure enterprise environments. On top of all this incredible hardware, Msecore backs this machine with a full 2-year warranty, which gives you fantastic peace of mind when making an investment like this. If you look at the early customer reviews on Amazon, it's currently sitting at a perfect 5 out of 5 stars, and looking at the spec sheet and the build quality, it's incredibly easy to see exactly why. So, what's the final verdict? Who is the Msecore MV300 Mini PC actually designed for? If you're someone who wants absolute top-tier, uncompromised performance, an i9 processor, a desktop RTX 4070,